Hello, and welcome to the Elite Extra Edison Awards Gala. I'm Sevi Fisher, and I'm a senior software engineer at Elite Extra. I'm also thrilled to be the MC at today's event. We are honored to receive this prestigious award for our delivery network solution and to be among the world's top innovation leaders from around the globe. We are one of nearly 7,000 applicants and are extremely proud to be of just over 100 award recipients. Our delivery network solution is truly innovative. It solves driver shortages in the last mile by allowing companies to seamlessly call in third-party fleets like Lyft, Uber, local couriers, and more to help them complete their last mile deliveries. Today, our team is celebrating red carpet style with our own black tie event. We'll be talking to team members about what it means to be recognized for their innovation and what's next in store for our talented innovators. We hope you enjoy the event. Tell me a little bit about that. What does this signify for you?
It's been pretty amazing. You know, as everybody knows, in 2018 we got to invent something truly special. Started to roll it out. Pandemic hit. You know, a lot of things changed and happened, and we were kind of, always waiting for that opportunity to really kind of showcase the invention that we did with a couple cool partners. And to win this award now, and for what it means from the staff coming out of a pandemic, pretty sweet. Pretty excited to show the team and talk about the award. So really happy to be here. I mean, what an event. I mean, the red carpet, the limousines, and having the whole team here, pretty special.
We make them happy, and we make their company, we make their product, we make their workflow, their deliveries more efficient. We make their customers happier, and it's a good thing.
What does this award mean to you and the sales team?
Recognition. I mean, we've done a lot over the years, and so to be recognized for stuff that we've done, innovation that we've kind of been able to put out there and talk to people about, it's all about recognition.
The win goes to the development team. Amazing group of folks. We get the smartest developers in all of North America. They're amazing. They get the win on this one. So cheers, development team ADC. Love you guys.
Yeah, so a lot of times, we're scoping out things and we're throwing ideas over to the development team, and they're kind of like, what is this all for, So really winning this award really helps validate everything that we're hearing from our customers every day and the ideas that we're bringing and asking for them to develop.
Cheers!